CyberPower RB12170X2A UPS battery. Easy swap, reliable power, zero hassle. Ever feel stuck watching your UPS beep endlessly, powerless as your devices risk shutdown during a blackout? Weak or dead batteries can leave you frustrated, anxious, and scrambling for a solution. Constant alerts and dwindling runtime block your workflow, leaving critical electronics unprotected. It's stressful, disruptive, and makes you question if your power backup is really reliable. Deadlines don't pause for power outages. Imagine the panic of losing unsaved work, server interruptions, or business downtime because your UPS can't deliver. The creeping anxiety of inadequate backup grows unbearable as minutes tick by, jeopardizing productivity, client trust, and peace of mind. A failing UPS can turn routine operations into high-stakes chaos, creating frustration and needless stress for home and office users alike. Enter the CyberPower RB12170X2A UPS replacement battery cartridge, the user-installable, maintenance-free solution that restores your UPS to full functionality. Each pre-assembled cartridge includes two sealed lead-acid 12-volt, 17-amp-hour batteries, leak-proof and ready for instant installation. No fluids, no complicated wiring, just a simple swap that gets your UPS running like new. Compatible with models such as PR1500LCD, PR1500LCDN, and PR1500LCDTA, it ensures reliable runtime for computers, servers, and sensitive electronics. One IT network admin shared, "Installation took 2 minutes, and the UPS recognized it immediately. Full runtime restored." The cartridge arrives in reusable packaging, making it easy to recycle old batteries responsibly. With 18 months warranty coverage and adherence to OEM specifications, the RB12170X2A offers peace of mind for home offices, small businesses, and critical systems. From preventing data loss to maintaining uptime, every feature, from sealed, durable batteries to easy user replacement, is designed to turn stress into confidence, keeping your devices protected during unexpected outages. The CyberPower RB12170X2A brings reliability, convenience, and durability together in one compact cartridge. Imagine swapping out a failing UPS battery in mere minutes and instantly regaining backup power for your workstation or server rack. IT administrators praise it as foolproof, restoring full rated runtime, while home users call it like having a brand new UPS for a fraction of the cost. Electronics repair influencers highlight the safety advantage. Pre-assembled, sealed batteries eliminate the risks of handling raw cells. A small business owner noted, "We avoided costly downtime for our point-of-sale systems thanks to this replacement." Designed for deep cycle standby use, the 12-volt 17-amp-hour SLA batteries meet or exceed OEM specs, ensuring full compatibility with a range of CyberPower models. Its leak-proof casing, maintenance-free design, and recyclable packaging add durability and sustainability, while the user-installable cartridge removes the headache of technical swaps. Whether you're safeguarding servers, home office setups, or critical electronics, the RB12170X2A delivers consistent power, reliability, and peace of mind. Reviews emphasize ease of use, safety, and performance consistency. Why risk downtime or complex DIY replacements when a single, trusted cartridge restores your UPS efficiently and safely? Don't wait until your UPS fails. Secure your CyberPower RB12170X2A replacement battery cartridge today. Limited stock is available, and thousands of IT professionals, home users, and small businesses have already restored their UPS systems with confidence. Quick to install, maintenance-free, and fully compatible, it's the cost-effective solution to protect your critical electronics. Act now to prevent downtime, data loss, or business interruptions. Join the ranks of satisfied users who swapped, installed, and gained peace of mind. Don't risk being powerless.